In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add vendors in Wave accounting. Keeping an organized vendor list makes it easier to track expenses, record bills, and see who you owe at a glance. Before we start, make sure you have the basic details for each vendor, like their name, email, phone number, and address. You can always come back and update these later, but having them ready will make setup smooth and accurate. First, sign into your Wave accounting account using your usual login. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu. Navigate to Purchases, then select Vendors. This area is the central hub for all the businesses or individuals you pay. If your layout looks slightly different, don't worry. Some versions may group vendors under Purchases, Bills, or a similar section, but the idea is the same. You're heading to your vendor list. At the top of the Vendors page, click the Add a Vendor button. In some versions, you may see a plus sign next to Add Vendor. This opens a form where you'll enter the vendor's details. Start with the vendor name, which should be the company or individual you purchase from. Enter an email if you plan to send communications or need a reference for your records. Add a phone number for quick follow-up on invoices or order questions, and enter the address so your records are complete. Accurate contact information helps keep everything consistent across bills and payments and makes reporting cleaner. You'll also see optional fields for payment terms and notes. If your vendor expects payment on a specific schedule, like due upon receipt, net 15, or net 30, record that here so Wave can remind you of due dates when you create bills. The Notes field is great for internal references, such as preferred contact methods, account numbers provided by the vendor, or reminders like add purchase order number on bills. Keep these notes practical and avoid placing sensitive information you wouldn't want widely stored. When everything looks good, click Save. Your new vendor will appear in the list immediately. From here, you can click into the vendor profile anytime to make updates, add more details, or review a history of bills and payments tied to that vendor. The next time you create a bill or record an expense, you'll be able to select this vendor from the dropdown, which speeds up data entry and keeps your books consistent. That's all it takes to add vendors in Wave accounting. Keep your list up to date, and your purchasing workflow and reports will be much clearer and easier to manage.